Congratulations, Ray and Marissa, on 14 incredible years at the helm. You are the dynamic duo that has helped shape and grow this company from the very beginning. When you think of a dynamic duo, you think Batman and Robin, Sherlock and Watson, SpongeBob and Patrick, but you two remind me more of Bert and Ernie. Stern, organized, and a little intense, with a bit of silliness and hearts the size of skyscrapers. You challenge us, inspire us, and somehow still manage to make this company feel like a family. Here's to 14 years of vision, passion, and lectures on APEC. I love you both. Congratulations.
Hi, Ray and Marissa. Happy 14 years. I'm confident every time you guys bring clarity to our chaos, you want to say, you're at a 10, I need you at a 2. But what can I say? My chaos matches your calm. It's our yin and yang. There's got to be balance. To quote Star Wars, because I know Ray likes Star Wars, one is no greater than the other. Together they unite, restore, recenter, and renew. We walk into the light and acknowledge the dark, and find balance within ourselves. You both have a way of bringing things back down a few notches, regardless of the department, and allow people to learn that not everything needs to be chaotic and eventually be do. I know personally both of you have helped provide clarity to what I personally thought was a chaotic situation, but really it was just me overthinking things. We all appreciate the insight that both of you provide that allows us to take a step back from the edge. Here's to more chaotically poetic days. Cheers.
Where do I begin? So I met Marissa when we were in high school, around 2017, 2018. And then I knew her as a hard worker in school, but I didn't even know this. She was also working for OIT at the same time in her off time outside of school. Eventually, I got to know her and we started dating, and I learned that she worked with her dad, Ray, and they both had a lot of synergy, a lot of work ethic. And I knew that I had to bring my A game because they brought their A game to everything. And it really shows. As I continued, being a part of the family and working with them eventually, answering phones and now in Solutions Hub, I've gotten to know their work ethic, their heart, and it's immeasurable. It's hard to describe. They put in more hours into OIT than I think I've ever put into anything, maybe Dark Souls, but it's honestly crazy, the level of effort and the level of care. They treat OIT like it's their child, and it is. It's their baby. They created it 14 years ago now. They really are like the title. They're the backbone. And I just wanted to show them appreciation for, their hard work and dedication in that front. But not only that, just, their time and their care that they give to us. Not just me being part of the family, but everyone at OIT. And they deserve all the praise for it. So I wanted to get here to recognize that, but also to say congratulations to the both of them for running this for 14 years and keeping it going strong. We'll just keep going.
Let's meet the makers of OIT. Congratulations, Ray and Marissa, on 14 years of building OIT as a father-daughter duo from day one. It's crazy to think that this all started 14 years ago with everyone in office, and what it's grown to now with over 40 employees across the globe. You both are always here to help guide and steer the ship and help us with creative solutions no matter what the problem or blocker is. I know my pings can be bountiful at times and annoy you both, and I'm actively working on cutting those down to become a master myself, but it gives me so much confidence to know that you're both always behind me to support me and put the wind back in my sails whenever I face a challenge. To my sister from another mister and my chosen dad, I love you both so much. Thank you for the 14 years.
Hey, Ray and Marissa, happy 14th anniversary. It's hard to believe, but how fast the year has flown by. I just wanted to take a moment to thank you both, not only for your unwavering support, but also for always having my back, even when I'm not the easiest person to deal with. Your patience, encouragement, and friendship has meant so much to me, and I'm incredibly grateful to have you in my corner. Here's to many more years of working and laughing together.
Hey Marissa, Super Cousin Danny here, wishing you a happy anniversary. You are incredibly dedicated and hardworking. You consistently show up with a positive attitude, tackle challenges head on, and go above and beyond to ensure tasks are completed efficiently and accurately. Your reliability and strong sense of responsibility make them an invaluable member of the team. Whether collaborating with others or taking initiatives on your own, you always bring a level of professionalism and enthusiasm that motivates those around you, especially me. Ray, you're really good at Call of Duty. But in all seriousness, very few know how dedicated you are to your company, whether it's leading the team or at a family get-together, which happens a lot, or working on your laptop while at lunch when I'm down visiting. You show what very few do out of your position, passion and commitment for your company, and more importantly, their employees. Love you, cuz. Happy anniversary.
Ray, Marissa, congrats on 14 great years. You've built OIT with a welcoming company culture and a very strong support system. You were always willing to lend a doc and even give guidance if needed. I can always count on you to bust my chops in Birthplace of Awesome, or even do some Disney karaoke with me on a company retreat or conference. More importantly, you guys prioritize family time and a very strong work-life balance, which we are very thankful for, which my family is very grateful for, and very thankful. Cheers to another 14 great years.
Encouragement on tap. The cup runneth over always with love from both of you. Regardless if it's professional or personal advice I seek, you're both always ready and willing to lend an ear and gas me up to remind me how great I am and remind me of the potential that is still yet to come. You have both continued to push me and challenge me to be the best version of myself in every area, and I can't thank you enough for all the lessons and perspectives. I always say, I just want to be like Ray and have the love and approval from you both because I respect and look up to you both so much, and it still stands true today. So thank you for always being there for me and all of OIT.
Happy anniversary, Marissa and Ray. It's the big 14. I'm so happy for you guys. I'm so excited. Again, congratulations. As always, you guys know everything, which is why we got to go and do the best thing ever and be Jedis for the day. I think the coolest experience I've ever had with you guys is being able to be with both of you in Disney and just going and riding all the rides and spending time together. Again, you guys for everything. It's so awesome being a part of OIT and a part of y'all's family. And again, congratulations. Happy 14 years.
Get shit done. Not only do Marissa and Ray get shit done, they get so much shit done, we had to create an entire new department just to try and keep up. For 14 years, they've been the backbone of OIT. Ray with the big vision, Marissa with the flawless execution. Together, they built something incredible. And let's be honest, when it comes to getting shit done, it literally runs in the family. Some families pass down recipes or family heirlooms. This one passes down VoIP knowledge, technology training, and the ability to troubleshoot faster than most people can turn it off and turn it back on again. Their calendars are terrifying, their energy is unmatched, and somehow they still make time for everyone else. So here's to Marissa and Ray, 14 years of building, leading, and redefining what it means to get shit done. We wouldn't be here without you. Happy 14th anniversary.
A lot can change in 4 years. At least I know that for me, a lot has changed in the last 4 years since I started at OIT. I was a tier 1 technician whenever I first started. I was about to graduate from college with a degree in network engineering. I didn't really know what I wanted to do though. I knew that I liked tech. I didn't love networking as much as I expected to. I just kind of picked a major and went with it. Around the time that I graduated, I messaged Ray and told him that I kind of just didn't know what I was doing and I needed some help figuring out where I was headed. Ray scheduled a meeting with me and we talked for I want to say almost an hour about what my goals were, and they weren't just for OIT, they were my goals personally, and he really helped me figure out where I wanted to go. At the time we went with, I was going to start working on network engineering, but I also then switched to like cloud infrastructure, still didn't find a home, and he still worked with me every step of the way to find my home within cybersecurity. And in 2024, about a year ago now, We were at IT Nation Secure together, and we spent a lot of one-on-one time together. And in that time, while I got to know him, I realized that we had a lot more in common than I thought. We're both young parents, and I saw where I wanted to be in 10 to 15 years whenever I'm his age. And I just want to say that without Ray, I wouldn't know where I am today. And I'm so thankful for all the help that he's given me over the years. And Marissa, I'm not forgetting about you, I promise. Whenever I started and I found out that you were younger than me and leading like such a badass, can I say badass? Is that okay? I think that, whatever. I was in awe, to say the least. I wish that at least I hope one day that I can lead half as well as you can. It's incredible seeing everything that you've done over the last 4 years and how we've both kind of grown together. You into your chief of staff role and me on the CSE side. And I'm really looking forward to, it's been 14 years now? I'm really looking forward to another 14 years. Well, I guess I've only been here for 4. Whatever. I'm overthinking it. Thank you for everything, guys. You're inspirational AF.
Ray's my role model in financial strategy, specifically the art of buying literally everything that he wants. Need a new desk? Bought. A third monitor? Got it. A Star Wars portable dry spice milling set? Obviously. He's a living, breathing Amazon wish list, a mood board with a budget. But actually, Ray is my role model in how he handles chaos. He's the kind of person who just looks at a problem and says that it's no big deal. Somehow, it just isn't. He has no fear, just fix. Marissa's my role model because she knows everything, or at least she makes it look like she does. She's the queen of fake it till you make it, but plot twist, she does make it. She makes it every time. Somehow, she's always 3 steps ahead, and I'm just sitting in the meeting trying to figure out what it's about. I'm convinced that she's got a secret PhD in everything. So here's to you two, Ray and Marissa, our fearless, funny, and fabulously overachieving role models. You lead with confidence, charisma, and just the right amount of chaos. We're lucky to follow.
Congrats, Ray and Marissa, on 14 incredible years. While I've been on the OIT team for less than a year, I've had the pleasure of working with you for the last 8 as a partner. From the days where you were answering the phones to today, your genuine camaraderie and playful banter have built an amazing company culture. Your energy truly sets OIT apart. Cheers to you both.
You two are the very first employees at OIT. You've helped build this business from the ground up, shaping not only its growth, but its direction, its culture, and its heart. With your strength and deep care for the people around you, you've led by example, pushing others to grow because you truly want to see them thrive. You both came from a family of entrepreneurs who knew what it meant to build something from the ground up. I know without a shadow of a doubt, they would all be incredibly proud of the legacy you're continuing. For everything that you've done, for the foundation you've laid, thank you for the legacy that we have and the one that we're continuing to build.
Here's to more chaotically poetic days. Cheers.
No. Why was he rushing at the end part? Don't look away immediately.
It's not hard to make me laugh. Just
Thank you,
fall.
Dana. Oh my God! Did she just do that to you?
She does. I actually got to call HR on her because she's terrible.
Super Cousin Danny here. Alright, so alright. You always bring a level of professionalism and enthusiasm motivate that professionalism. Alright. Professionalism and enthusiasm that motivates those around you, especially me. You always bring a level of professionalism. I'm doing it again with professionalism
I am turning. How much more can I turn? All right. Listen, I have a problem, right? So when I smile, my eyes close. So I don't know if smiling is in the best interest of anyone. Why do I feel that Swen's gonna put some of these clips of my crazy ass behavior?
Oh, she's calling me. Crap. Yeah, no, everything's fine. I just I was working on Datagate stuff, and then Bagel's being kind of crazy today.
Are you sure about that?
Oh crap! Not the camera. I thought I heard her. She doesn't look close on the map. Oh, Bagel's working. All right. Okay, you got this. Quick, sit. Good boy. Wait. Okay, let's go. Let's go before she gets here. All right. Let's do this. Ah. All right. Okay. So, I don't have much time because Marissa's about to open the garage door, and I need to be like, we need to be good actors, and I'm not good at hiding things. So, congratulations, Marissa and Ray, on 14 years. You guys are awesome, and I love you both so very much.